Most AI models sound smart, but they fail where it actually matters. They cannot reliably do things. Press buttons. Open apps. Execute commands. That execution gap is one of the biggest problems in AI today, and Google just released a model built specifically to solve it. It is called FunctionGemma, a 270 million parameter model designed to run directly on phones, browsers, and edge devices with no cloud connection required. Unlike chatbots, FunctionGemma has one job. It translates natural language into structured function calls that software can actually execute. Fast, predictable, reliable. Before we continue, if you want practical AI insights you can actually use, hit like, subscribe, and comment. It helps more than you think. Here is the big insight. Specialization beats size. Google tested this on its internal mobile actions benchmark. A generic small model achieved only 58% accuracy at function calling. After fine-tuning for this exact task, FunctionGemma jumped to 85% accuracy, rivaling models many times larger. That reliability matters. It can handle complex inputs, not just simple commands. Things like grid coordinates, detailed logic, and real app behavior. FunctionGemma runs locally, which delivers three major benefits. Privacy, because user data never leaves the device. Speed, because there is no server delay. And cost savings, because there are no per-token API fees for routine actions. For builders, this unlocks a smarter architecture. Use FunctionGemma on-device as a traffic controller. Handle common commands instantly, and only send complex requests to large cloud models when needed. Lower latency, lower cost, higher reliability. The model is available now on Hugging Face and Kaggle, with full ecosystem support and a mobile actions dataset to build custom agents. Here is your takeaway. The future of AI is not one massive model doing everything. It is small, reliable models doing the right job in the right place. If you are building AI products and still routing every action to the cloud, you are already behind. Watch the related video in the corner to see how this changes enterprise AI design. Subscribe for more real-world AI insights and start building systems that actually work.